study about another homopolysaccharide, that is cellulose. It is the most abundant organic molecule on earth. Okay, and due to its high tensile strength, it is a major component of plant cell wall, or the major part of plant cell wall is composed of cellulose. Cellulose in plant cell wall mainly seen as fibrils, cellulose fibrils. They are non-toxic in nature and are biodegradable. This cellulose can not all animals can digest the cellulose. It is mainly digested by ruminants. Okay, ruminants. Why ruminants? Because in their rumen they carry termites, and these termites in turn carry some symbiotic microorganisms. With the help of them, the ruminants can degrade cellulose. Mainly, this microorganism secretes cellulase enzyme, hydrolytic enzymes for cellulose degradation. Let us discuss about the structure of cellulose. It is very simple. It is made up of beta D glucose residues. Several beta D glucose residues are linked together through beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Cellulose is a linear unbranched chain structure. Let us draw several glucopyranose ring structure. Finally, we can connect it to form a linear chain structure. Here I am drawing only 3 glucopyranose ring structure to show you how to draw the structure of cellulose along with this beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Okay, just mark the bonds. Give the numbers. Okay, accordingly, if required, you can draw the numbers in other structures also. Since it is a beta D glucose, OH will comes in the topmost position and hydrogen in the bottom position. That you can mark first. Remaining portion as usual you can fill. In order to make this beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage, the hydrogen atom of first glucose react with the hydroxyl group of second glucose, especially fourth carbon atom, okay, and releases a molecule of water, leaving only one hydrogen atom. That given tick mark here. Okay. Similarly, in the next bond formation also, hydrogen react with the hydroxyl group, releases a molecule of water, remaining is an oxygen atom. Let us draw this oxygen atom in the middle to make the bond. Okay, so here I am using a sketch pen to highlight the bond. Okay, so draw the oxygen atom in the middle. Okay, so only one middle oxygen atom will be there, that used to connect two glucose molecules. Okay, You can rub this and draw neatly. So here I am used sketch pens just to draw the bonds. Okay, this bond is known as beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. So several glucose residues, especially beta D glucose residues, are linked together through beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. This is the basic structure of cellulose, very easy to draw.